Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll be showing you how to do the skin shedding with opacity blending technique. So, I'm already done with the outlines and hairs of this artwork. Here, you can see the color palette that I'm using in my project. You can also use this in your projects. So now, let's just start by selecting the base color and filling it in all the skin areas. Here, I'm fast forwarding this step. Now, on the top layer, select the dark shade of skin. And look for the dark areas, like ears, below the eyebrows, nose, and the neck area. Now, decrease the opacity of Lasso Brush to 30% and start brushing over the darker areas. Keep in mind, from where the light hits on the subject. Now, select the second shade on a new layer and follow the same steps. See the areas where I'm using the second color. Again, same steps for the third color. Since the opacity is 30%, you can freely make strokes anywhere. No need to be precise. Now, select the lighter shade, and again, follow the same steps. So, here we go, our skin shading is completed. If you've got any doubts, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, link in description. And now, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.